Hi guys, it's been a while. So on my workbench, I have this Hot 12 play. I have three Hot 12 play. That is a 6816 and three pieces of Hot 8. That is S650. Okay, making total of six mobile phones. So they were sent to me from Port Harcourt. I repeat, they were sent to me from Port Harcourt from another engineer. So he told me to help him check them out to know what's wrong to help him fix it. So I'll be giving you updates on how I'm going to fix each phone, okay? So as you can see, some of the phones have already been tampered with because their shield has been removed like the first two. Now starting with this one has not been tampered with yet. So those ones that have not been tampered with yet, I'll start with them first because it will make the job easier to work on, okay? So this first one, I powered it on using the power cable. As you can see, it's stuck. It got stuck. Okay, anytime I try to power it on, it always gets stuck at a certain amps. So from my experience, I already know is the Emmc, which is the memory chip, is the problem. So to further check again to see, to also already from experience, I already know is the Emmc that is the fault. Okay, so it needs to be replaced or it also need to be reprogrammed. So we can also check it using our CM2 to see what's actually wrong again to be actually sure 100% certain that is the MMC. You see, trying to read the information, you can see it's showing eMMC chip is faulty from the notification. CM2, you can look at it, it says eMMC chip is faulty. So I removed the shield. Immediately after removing the shield, I removed the memory chip, and from my programmer, which is my EasyGTAG programmer, I checked the MMC chip that came with the phone is already gone, is dead. So I had to sort out for another MMC chip again, which is also replaced this phone with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and also 128 gig ROM. Okay, so after flashing it, it was successful. So let's try and power it on now to see if the phone will respond. So let's try and connect our charger cable to see if there will be any image on the screen. Okay, yeah, you can see the battery charging logo has already come up on the screen now. So it means our job is successful. 90%, it's currently at 90% power. So let's try and power it on. So that is from the video, that is the memory chip that is bad. So that one is dead. So I replace it with exact same storage space of the previous one. All right, you can see the phone is on. The phone is back to life, baby. So first job is done. Among the mobile phones, the six mobile phones that were sent to me from Port Harcourt, one is done. Okay, now the thing is, now this first one, the reason why I started with the first one was the board, which is the motherboard, is intact. It has not been tampered with at all. It hasn't been tampered with. The shield, everything is okay. So I just like immediately after putting on the power cable, I already knew where the fault is coming from. Now this other one you are seeing, it has already been tampered with. You can see the shield, the both shield back and front has been removed. Now, which makes it more complex. You get, which makes it more complex. You get. Anyway, back to this one. So I'm trying to set it up now. So like I said earlier on, I said I'm located in Edo State. So you can reach out to me anytime, any day. You can message me for any fault or any question of your choice. Even if as an engineer you are lacking, maybe you are trying to get to know more about your technicality, you can feel free to ask me. I'll also put you through. Also, if you have any jobs you want to that is giving you issues, you can try and reach out to me, send them to me, and I'll get it fixed and we'll bill it back to you. So let's check if the IMEI is intact. Alright, you can see the IMEI for the first and second SIM is intact, so the network will work fine. You can see Infinix Hot 12 Play, Android 11. See the ROM, 128 gigabytes of ROM. Also the RAM is 4 gig RAM. So thanks guys. I'll drop more updates on the rest. Stay blessed. Thank you.